Your safety is important to us. Please store your carry-on belongings underneath the seat in front of you or in the opaque compartment. It's important that you store your belongings carefully so they do not fall out and cause injury to you or your fellow guests. Take your assigned seat and fasten your seatbelt. Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Big Yellow Feather, as this airplane is called, Scooter 202, going to Taipei and Narita. With me on the flight deck is Paul, the first officer. He'll be doing flying, and you've already met the crew in charge, Raylene, she and her superb team are there for your safety first and foremost. And then they will make sure that you are well looked after. I'm sure you will enjoy your flight with us. Flying time 4 hours and 20 minutes of scooting time. The weather in Taipei is forecast to be fine and some rain in Narita going all the way through. We are expecting some turbulence during cruise. I do urge you to keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. So right now we are offloading one passenger that decided not to join us. We need to remove his or her luggage, and we will then get out of here as quick as we can. Relax now and enjoy.
02 to Narita via Taipei. The flight time to Taipei is 4 hours and 20 minutes. Flying to Taipei today is Captain Ronald and First Officer Paul. I'm really the crew charge. Assisting me in the aft is Alicia. As good, we are committed to making our flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we need to show you the safety features of this cool Boeing 777 aircraft. Even you've had this many times before. This information can help you in the unlikely event of an emergency. Seatbelt. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal clip into the buckle like this until we click and adjust the strap for pulling it out so it's low and tight across the lap. To release, lift it catch. Please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened anytime during the flight, even if the seatbelt sign is switched off in case of turbulence. Life vest. Should we land on water in an emergency, life vests are under your seat. After removing the cover, slip the life vest over your head. Bring the waist strap around your waist. Connect the clip like this and pull the strap to tighten. Please inflate your life vest only at the exit. To inflate, pull the recap firmly downwards. To inflate it further, pull into these tubes. There's a light that will activate automatically in the water and a whistle for attracting attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. Oxygen mask. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above. Pull the mask down towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and adjust the strap. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not fully inflate. Be sure to feed your own mask before helping others. Emergency exits. Please note where emergency exits are located on this airplane. The nearest exit may be behind you. If an evacuation is necessary, do not take your belongings with you. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the low level lights to the exit. The safety information card in your seat pocket contains additional information. Please read it carefully. We're just about ready to scoot, but before we do, ensure your seat is upright, tray table secured, and window shades open. All exits are overhead areas clear of any items. All carry-on items should be stored in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. All mobile phones and other electronics.
cruising altitude of 39,000 feet or 12,000 meters with an average speed about 850 kilometers an hour. We'll start our descent in approximately 7 minutes, and the weather forecast for Taipei is the wind is coming from the northeast with 8 knots. Temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, a bit cloudy. Subject to traffic condition, we shall be landing in Taipei at 5:30 local time. There's no time difference between Singapore and Taipei. Finally, on behalf of the entire crew, I want to thank you for choosing this. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival.
towards the end of the flight, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. All mobile phones and other portable electronic devices must remain turned off until doors are open. Be careful when you open the overhead compartment. Look for items that could fall out, as they may have moved during landing. Please also check your seat pockets to ensure that you have taken all your belongings with you. It was a pleasure having you with us today, and we look forward to welcoming you on board Scoot again. Thank you, and let's get out of here.